day, learners! I am Ana Jemima Pasha, your math teacher for today. Today, we will discuss the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. I know that you encountered this during your elementary days, but some of you needs to review the topic, and our goal is to have the mastery of adding and subtracting decimal numbers. Are you ready, learners? Just relax, enjoy, and learn mathematics. Now, let us have a review test. You have 5 seconds to answer the questions. Number 1. The answer to addition problem is called A. Sum, B. Difference, C. Addends, D. Minuend. Number 2. The numbers that is added to another number is called A. Sum, B. Difference, C. Addends, D. Minuend. Number 3. The result of subtracting one number to another is called A. Minuend, B. Subtrahend, C. Sum, D. Difference. Number 4. What is the number from which another number is to be subtracted? Letter A. Minuend, B. Subtrahend, C. Difference, and letter D. Addends. Number 5. What is the number to be subtracted from another? Letter A. Minuend, B. Subtrahend, C. Difference, D. Addends. Did you get a perfect score? Good job, learners! At the end of the lesson, the learners are able to add and subtract decimal numbers and solve problems involving the addition and subtraction of decimals. Now, let us define what is decimal. Decimals are one of the types of numbers which has a whole number and the fractional part separated by a decimal point. The present between the whole number and fractions part is called the decimal point. Let us identify the two types of decimal numbers. First is the recurring decimal numbers, or also called as the repeating or non-terminating decimals. For example, we have 3 and 125,125 millions. It is a finite decimal number. Another example is 3 and 1,212 10,000s, followed by 3 dots. It means it is infinite decimal number. Number 2 is the non-recurring decimal numbers, or non-repeating or terminating decimals. For example, we have 3 and 2,376 10,000s. It is a finite decimal number. And another example is 3 and 137,654 millions. It is an infinite decimal number. Now let us proceed with the place value in decimals. The place value system is used to define the positions of a digit in a number, which helps to determine its value. When we write specific numbers, the position digit is important. Let us look the example. We have 987,654,321 and 123,456 millions. Number 9, its place value is 100 millions. For number 8, we have 10 millions. Number 7, millions. 6 is 100,000. 5, 10,000. 4, thousands. 3, hundreds. 2, tens. 1, ones. Another one after the decimal point, its place value is tenths. 2, hundreds. 3, thousands. 4, 10,000. 5, hundred thousands. And 6, millions. To add or subtract decimals, let's follow these 3 steps. Number 1, line up the decimal points vertically and fill in any zeros where necessary. For example, number 1, add 56 hundredths plus 9 plus 6 and 287 thousandths. Let's put the number based on its place values and align the decimal points as you can see on the example. Step 2. Add or subtract the numbers as if they were whole numbers. And for number 3, place the decimal point in the sum or difference so that it lines up vertically with the numbers being added or subtracted. Just take a look with the example. Place the decimal point in the sum so that it lines up vertically. The answer will be 15 and 847 thousandths. Example number 2. Subtract 6 minus 1 and 859 thousandths. To subtract decimals, line up the decimal point vertically and add zeros where shown. Remember to borrow when necessary. As you can see on the example, the decimal points of the 2 given numbers are aligned vertically. Then subtract the number. The answer will be 4 and 141 thousandths. To check your answer, just add the difference with its subtrahend. 4 and 141 thousandths plus 1 and 859 thousandths is equal to 6. Therefore, the answer is correct. Example number 3. Subtract 3 and 742 thousandths minus 10 and 638 thousandths. If the decimals have opposite signs, place the larger decimal number on the top. Line up the decimal points, subtract the number, and count down the sign. Let us see the figure. As you can see, the given is written vertically and the decimal points are aligned. Then the other side of the figure, the minuend and subtrahend was reciprocate. So the given will be negative 10 and 638 thousandths plus 3 and 742 thousandths. As you can see, the subtraction sign will be changed into addition sign. Then proceed to addition. So if we add negative 10 and 638 thousandths plus 3 and 742 thousandths, the answer will be negative 6 and 896 thousandths. Now, let us proceed with problem solving. For problem number 1, the Kabutehang Tobal, an oyster mushroom cultivation of San Cristobal Integrated High School, harvested 5.5 kilos of mushroom in its first week, 10.25 kilos in the second week, and 6.075 kilos in the third week. How many kilos of mushroom did San Cristobal Integrated High School harvest in 3 weeks? Let us identify what is being asked on the problem. It is the total kilos of mushroom harvested in 3 weeks. The given are 5.5 kilos, 10.25 kilos, and 6.075 kilos of mushroom. Number sentence: 5.5 plus 10.25 plus 6.075 is equal to n. Now, let us solve the problem. Align the given vertically. 5.5 plus 10.25 plus 6.075. So the answer is 21 and 825 thousandths. The answer is there were 21.825 kilos of mushroom harvested in 3 weeks. Problem number 2. One of the products of Kabutehang Tobal is the chicha goods, where the harvested fresh oyster mushrooms undergo certain procedures. The San Cristobal Integrated High School harvested 5.6 kilos of mushroom, and after it was processed, it weighs 3.25 kilos. How many kilos of mushroom were lost? Now, let us identify what is being asked on the problem. Total kilos of mushroom were lost after it undergo procedure in making chicha goods. The given are 5.60 kilos and 3.25 kilos of mushrooms. And for the number sentence, 5.60 minus 3.25 is equal to n. Now, let us solve the problem. Align the given vertically according to its place value. 5.60 minus 3.25 is equal to 2.35 kilos. Answer: there were 2.35 kilos of mushroom lost after it undergoes the procedure. Learners, kindly answer the activity sheets given to you attached on your Purong module. I hope that you learned something from this video. Thank you very much and God bless. Basta Tobalites, alaga ka rito!
May update sa mga kaganapan sa paaralan.
Huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-share,